Foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sled tonight? Then how the reindeers loved him as they shouted out Wiggly, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. You go down in history like Columbus.
You actually need help. What's your next team? That's what I thought.
Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into spring. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Get it, George? Understand, huh, George? Understand, huh, George? Understand, understand, understand. George? I'm looking over my dead dog Rover that I overlooked before. One leg is broken and the other one's sprained. I ran him over with my Cocoa Puff train. Toot toot, if you should happen to see his remains lying on the kitchen floor, don't lick 'em up. 'Cause I'm looking over my dead dog Rover that I overlooked. That I overlooked. That I overlooked before. That I overlooked. Before.
New stuff you got in your bait's really getting old, you.
Hey, this is my old stuff. I haven't used my new one yet. 'Cause it got a pretty little clown on it. See him. I can spin him around. Watch. Watch his head spin. Watch his head spin. Watch his head spin. You want me to see it with my glasses on? Okay, maybe a skull clown. Are you having issues today, bud?
I think you are.
No, I'm good.
No, I can tell.
No.
You getting a buzz.
Oh. Can you get high off of nicotine and fruit?
You high on something?
I'm 100% normal all the time.
I can tell. There ain't no doubt in my mind.